ఈ ఫిల్మ్ గురించి ఎంత చెప్తే తక్కువ. వెల్కమ్ ఫ్యామిలీ. I think I don't have to pick each person and tell how much they mean to the film or anything. Vishwak has already done that. I'm speaking in English because I don't want to block my emotion right now and try to find the right words. Um, I think I've never been under a loss of words in my life. But this event itself is so different. ఎందుకంటే normally I don't like public appearances, I don't like events, I get nervous, I'm not too happy, but there was something so different about being here because there was so much emotion in everything that these people were saying, and that's what I saw initially right from day one when Vishwa came and narrated the story to me. I saw a writer par excellence. Now I see a director par excellence. Vishwak, you are one of the best creative people I've ever worked with and I've ever seen in my life. And I've seen a lot. So, I mean, you have such a bright future. I love you dearly, and you know that. Prithvi, I have never seen a producer like you either, and this everybody will believe, right? We also do the producer jokes, but I have never ever met a producer who wants to produce a good film and who's creative, who's happy when the film comes out well, and everything that he does, he's doing for the film. Prithvi and me we have so many discussions, we have so many talks, hours together we used to talk. Kani ekkado dan madhya, I mean, we talk about numbers, we talk about market, we talk about distribution. Dan taravata ekkado oka chota we come back and we say, but you know, the sound design has come out so beautifully. That's the discussion I want to have with a co-producer of mine. I want to talk creative. I want to talk about being happy. You guys gave me hope, to be quite honest, because నాకు సోల్ లేని సినిమాలు చూస్తే చేస్తే I feel fear, I feel afraid, I don't know about my future, what's going to happen అనేది. So what you have done, I know you think I've done a lot for you, but you've done a lot more for me because you have given me hope. Today, even seeing all these guys here, your friends, Maha, Munna, Vivek, Hassan, all of you guys, and what you're saying, you know, like it is so full of real emotion, it is so full of soul. This is what I wanted to see in cinema all my life. I've never got to see it. For me, this is a wonderful new age for myself personally, that I'm even able to meet you people, and I know that I think I'm going to be okay in the future. The artist in me is not going to die. So, I don't think I've ever got so emotional at a event like this, but there's just something very different about this. Ide meeru cinemalo kuda chustaru. Everybody present here is family. This is completely family and friends, and that's very rare. It's not just people screaming and, you know. So this is what I want to be a part of, and this makes me happy. More than films or acting, music has always touched my soul. And Prashant, I mean, I think one of the best parts of the film is the music. Sandilya? Sandilya? Sandilya, is he here? He's left. Well, you have to tell him that I cried when he played his violin. I have great respect for musicians. I've never had a crush on an actor or something like that. Nothing. I've always had crushes on musicians, you know, people who play instruments. And I have such immense respect for people who play instruments. I can't really play with that kind of, you know, craft, skill, and beauty. I wish I could. I would have been so proud of myself if I had become a musician, if I was an instrumentalist, much more than now. But I can't do that, and I always wonder how they can do something like that. It's just absolutely amazing. So for me, it's a you know, mystery how you even come up with all of that beautiful thing. It hits me straight in the heart, and for me, that is priceless. My co-actors, Satya and Rahul, are such spectacular actors, and I'm not just saying this just like that, like they really are, and my standards are high. So, but it's again something that gives me hope to see real actors. One of the things I don't like is when non-actors or anything, people who are not good at what they do that job. I don't like it. So it gives me hope when I see actors like you, Satya, and Rahul, who's not here, but I think he's so fantastic. He's so wild. He's so different. He's just himself. He does whatever he wants. That is a space that I never got. I got criticized for it, and he's just being himself. I love it. I love these guys. They've made the whole film look so authentic and so real. Anyway, Tanikela Barni garu, I didn't get the opportunity to work with you, but hopefully, avakasam naaku next film lo vastundi ani korukuntunnanu. I never got to work with Satya either, but I did get to work with Vishnu. Vishnu was one of the best. Yes, I asked about, come here, come up. What? Why are you sitting down? I was asking about you. They said you're still driving on the way. This is Vishnu, and Vishnu was the one person I got to act with in the film. And he was the best co-star ever. You know, like Gauramma and Seenu, they are the most tight relationship, more than everybody else. So all my dialogues ended with, Naka idea ochindra Seenu. Like everything was to Seenu only. So Seenu was her everything, and it was so important to have a good actor with me, and I'm so happy that it was you. I had such a good time. I hope we get to work again in different capacities, not just as an actor. I know you're capable of so much more, Vishnu. So yeah, we'll work together again very soon. Aditya was such a darling. Of course, what he's done creatively is nothing that, you know, we don't need to discuss it. It's clear, it's obvious, it's out there for everyone to see. But I just loved working with you. You guys just made everything so fluid, so easy, so happy. And I really liked that. I enjoyed it. Pujita, my love. Where is she? Oh, there she is. You made Gauri come alive for me. Every time I wore your clothes, I felt like Gauri. And the credit for all of this goes to everybody, Ravi, everybody. I know you guys have not been able to really interact with Ravi Teja and everybody, but I know the credit goes to everyone, but Vishwak, I've heard a lot of people who say a lot of things, who narrate really beautifully, but endlo adi execute chesi ravalante, I've never seen it being executed exactly. And that is a talent. You're gonna go places. So anyway, that's what Skylab means to, oh, I forgot, I'm also co-producing this film. So I'm so proud. I think I got lucky. It's not you who got lucky. I got lucky because the person that I was as an actress, I want to be that same person as a producer. I want to be able to produce good cinema because I want to see this thrive. I want to see real cinema on screen, and that is my dream. And if that means that I have to get into it and become a producer, so be it. And it couldn't have been a better film for me to debut as a producer. It cannot be a better film. This is the best film that I could have been the producer for the first time. So Skylab is my heart and my soul, and there's so much love for this team, for this film, for this project. And the rest of it we'll talk when the film releases, which I know the film is going to be a piece of like a gem. So I can't wait for it to just come out and all of you can just see it and the world can see it. And here's to many more, right? Promise? Okay. Keep me alive. Thank you.
Yes, we want to keep you alive so that you keep the screen alive. Love you, Nitya. Love you.